Here's a quick comparison between OwnCloud and NextCloud. OwnCloud is an infinite scale and a new platform that can be trusted by 200 million users worldwide. So if you wanted a trusted website, OwnCloud is the good one for you because a lot of testimonies has been already using it. You can also found web office here such as the docs as well as the spreadsheet, and you can also organize your high data governance requirements without having a problem on its privacy. On the other hand, NextCloud can regain control over your data and remote collaboration easily. It is accessible on Google, Safari, and Chrome. And you can actually see that it is only available on iPhone since it is talking about the cloud storage that you have on any Apple device that you have. So if you have an Apple device, NextCloud is the good one for you. Now here's a table for a very concise comparison. For licensing model, NextCloud is 100% fully open source while OwnCloud is open core model. For ecosystem and focus, NextCloud focuses on being a full collaboration suite for app ecosystem, while OwnCloud focuses on stable core file sync and storage. For development and origin, NextCloud is a fork of the original OwnCloud, while OwnCloud is the original self-hosted cloud project. Both are good for nice work.